So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this lab is recently updated. So here is the updated solution for it. Simply click on start lab. Come to task number 1. First of all, right click and open the link incognito window. Now if it asks for username and password, refer to the lab instructions. Click on I understand and come back to the lab instruction. You can see this item. Right click over here and open the link incognito window and just download it. Okay. Now you can see this option. Just click on it. Click on upload. Now from here, just simply drag and drop. And finally it is opened. Right. Now just click on file and make a copy, and just click on make a copy over here. Now watch the video carefully so that you are able to complete the lab without any issue. Right. So the first thing what we need to do is click on the items, remove, got it, view, freeze up to one row. Okay. Now we have to click on C, and then after that we have to just click on. So just click on C, and from here just click on this arrow. Okay. From here just select sort A to Z. So this is also successfully done. Now we have to click on this plus icon to add a new sheet. Now for the sheet, come to the lab instruction, scroll down a bit, and from here just copy this name. Okay. On file, rename, done. Now just copy this formula and we have to paste in the A1, means here. You have to simply double click, paste it, leave anywhere else. Now you can see it is successfully added. Right. It is successfully added. So we have sorted the data. Now we have to come to the item sheet, and from here only we have to click on this name, and in this name we have to just create a filter. So just go to data, create a filter. Now from this filter you have to remove cinnamon bun. Click on it. This is successfully done. Right. Now we have to create a filter view. So just click over here. Okay. Like this we have to do. Just click on data, create a filter view, and simply save view with any name. This is also done. Now come to the lab instruction and check the score for some of the tasks. This is also done. Now we have to format the data. So format the data and all these things will be done. So stay tuned. Now in the description box I've shared this sheet file. You have to simply just download it to your local system. Once it is downloaded, come back over here, click on file, import, upload, and simply click on browse and just save, upload the file, or you can just simply drag and drop also. So just drag and drop, click on replace spreadsheet and import data. So this is done. Now let's try to check the score, and if you're wondering how to enable this yellow check my progress bar, you can always check the video description. So here you can see we got 100 out of 100 and we completed the lab. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Do like the video and subscribe the channel for more.